My kids have had a temper tantrum. My first reaction is to want to get upset and want to go walk away or want to yell at them. And if you can just be there in the moment, and if you do need to walk away, that's okay, but we're going to come right back and we're going to try to process that with them. I think a lot of kids, it depends on your child, but they might like a hug during that and just saying that it's okay to cry. And then after that saying, it's all right to have the big feelings, but we need to try to use our words when we're having those feelings instead of using our hands or our feet or screaming or crying in those moments. I like to call that out in myself. I'll say, Mommy didn't handle that very well. I should have used my words instead of yelling, or I should have used quiet words instead of yelling, or I should have walked out instead of being upset. So recognizing when we mess up with those things too helps.